Alright, so let's take a start. Speaking part one. Do people in your country like to drink tea or coffee?
Yes, in Pakistan, mostly people love coffee.
Love to drink coffee.
Love to drink coffee because due to the all day activities they become tired. So they take a cup of coffee, then they feel relaxed, more comfortable.
Okay, they feel relaxed and more comfortable. Right. Do you prepare tea or coffee for guests when they come to your house?
Obviously, I have prepared.
I prepare.
I prepared coffee for the guest because it is a very creative activity in house. That activity create emotions in your emotions to learn a lot of household activities. So in future, it is a very good activity to become a to become a
Your answer,
cooperative life
your answer
partner.
is irrelevant now. The question is, do you prepare tea or coffee? Focus tea or coffee. Emotional thing is good, but again, come back to tea, coffee. Okay. When was the last time you drank tea?
Well, last time I drank tea with my family at a restaurant. We have a great
We
dinner.
had.
We had a great dinner at a restaurant. So after the lunch, we all had a cup of
Alright, you had
coffee.
great dinner, but you had coffee after lunch.
We have
No, lunch or dinner?
after
तो सारा दिन उधर ही थे. नाश्ता भी उधर ही किया, दोपहर भी उधर ही खाया
Some
and all that.
misconfusion.
We mix up कर दिया ना
Mix up
lunch
हो
और
गया.
dinner को. Okay, overall answers are fine, but just stay connected and you have to be active when you are speaking and you should know what you spoke before. Right? Mask ऊपर कर लें. Next one please, your turn. Okay, let's take a start. What is your favorite number?
Oh wow, I have
Well, first you said, oh wow. All right, good. Now you said, oh wow. I thought I should say meow.
I have never thought about
Numbers.
to tell you.
Listen, now answer again. What is your favorite number?
I have never thought about it to tell you truth. I think I have no. My number is my sir. Confused हो गया.
Come on, just try. Listen, what is your favorite number? My favorite number is 786. And this number has a special meaning. It means in the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. That is why I love this number 786. Simple. What is your favorite number? मास्क ऊपर रखे ना. My favorite number is actual exam में उन्होंने सीधे ना मुंह के साथ ही मास्क अगर नीचे किया तो. Okay, yeah, that's important. Now let's go on. Are you good at remembering phone numbers?
Unfortunately, not. When I was in my childhood, I was good in memorizing number.
I was good at memorizing the numbers.
At memorizing number, but after the passage of time, have losing my memory. Even someone ask about my number, I need to. I still need to pick up my number from the phone.
Okay.
And I will.
Alright, this is better now. Just stay connected and be confident. Focus your speaking. You get this opportunity only once. Okay, so take it seriously. Let's go on. Do you usually use numbers?
Yes, I am mathematics teacher, and all the whole day I use the number in my lectures.
This is good. You see, when you are serious, when you take it seriously, then your answers are good. So I would advise you to take it seriously and practice with someone. You'll be fine. You have the talent. Don't let it go wasted, okay?